Today I took a train to Tuas Link, the last station on the Green Line. And after alighting from the train, I came to this open space, a big piece of open space, a lot of trees. A very big piece of land, just next to the MRT station. This is the last station, Tuas Link. I'm now at the last station on the Green Line, the Tuas Link MRT station. As you can see, this is very big. This is the MRT station, a very big station. You can see some buildings, some trees over here, a lot of flowers, swallows flying in the sky. You can see the white clouds and the blue sky. This is the yellow flower, a beautiful Tecoma stance. It grows in abundance over here. The signboard here says Marina Bistro, best sunset in the west, waterfront dining, western and Asian cuisines, open to all. I'm walking towards the Raffles Marina, a very beautiful private club where the owners own yachts and speedboats. The sky is very clear, white clouds, blue sky, and the place is beautiful. I'm going towards the bistro as it is open to the public. I'm walking towards the Raffles Marina, and in another 50 meters I'll reach the place. It's a very beautiful club, a private club, very private, exclusive club for the super rich in Singapore, those who can afford to pay the membership fee, and also they have enough money to buy the speedboats and the yachts. In the distance you can see the second link, buses and lorries passing by on the second link. It's a very beautiful place. You can see all the expensive speedboats, yachts, all parked here. The members here are very rich, they could afford to buy all this, so they belong to the upper class of Singapore. So there in the distance you can see the ICA checkpoint, and next to it is a second link. You can see the buses, lorries passing by. And here at the Raffles Marina, you can see all the expensive yachts parked here. Raffles Marina, you need to pay money to park your boat here. Nice restaurants, coconut trees, yachts, all parked here in straight lines. Now, although I'm educated in two prestigious universities, I don't speak the impeccable kind of British English. I speak Singlish. I'm more at home with Singlish, and therefore I prefer to speak Singlish. So if you're not comfortable with my English, I'm sorry. I speak local English, not the Queen's brand of English or the impeccable brand of English. Mine is just simply local Singaporean English. Here you can see the beautiful waterfall, swimming pool, reserved exclusively for the members of Raffles Marina. Very beautiful swimming pools, waterfalls, and so on. So you need to have a deep pocket in order to be a member here. Outside you can see the Tuas Link MRT station. I'm now at the Raffles Marina, a very beautiful place. This is a very private, exclusive club for those who can afford the fees, membership fees, and those who can afford to buy a yacht. And you need to pay parking charges, parking fees for your yacht. It's a place for only the upper class citizens of Singapore. I'm walking towards the exit gate of Raffles Marina, and right in front of me I could see the MRT station, the Tuas Link, the last station on the green line. This is a very beautiful place, and I'm coming towards the guardhouse and the main entrance of Raffles Marina. I'm now very near to Raffles Marina, next to the MRT station, the Tuas Link station. This is a very huge area with a lot of open grassland, and in the distance I could see the ICA checkpoint next to the second link. So this is a very beautiful place. Not many cars passing by at this hour of the day. You can see all the MRT tracks. Here's the end of the MRT track, the last station on the green line, the Tuas Link station. Very beautiful place. You can see the Raffles Marina with the red roof in the distance, and over there you can see the second link, the ICA checkpoint. This tree here is very nice, flowers and fruits. You can see the beautiful morning glory, all in full bloom. The purple flower called the morning glory, growing just beside the drain here. This is a small canal. I'm walking beside the canal here that leads to the flyover, and that flyover in front leads to the second checkpoint. At Tuas checkpoint. A very beautiful place with a lot of grassland. Right, this is like the savanna grassland. Very beautiful. I'm beside the long canal next to the road that leads to the Tuas checkpoint. This is a very quiet area. At this hour of the day, 12 noon, there are nobody here, and I'm the only one walking around here to take pictures with my video camera. During the COVID period, I don't see any cars coming this way near the checkpoint, only the buses and lorries. So there are practically no cars, as there are no visitors going to Malaysia during this time of the pandemic. So I'm walking along this path next to the canal. On my left is a big piece of grassland. On my right is a Tuas checkpoint. I'm coming towards the end of the canal, and in front I could see the boats of the Raffles Marina. A very beautiful place.